Hi, my name is Lee Lazarow, and I lead the Planning Analytics practice at Revelwood. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about global settings within the overview area of an exploration. So what we're going to do today is we're going to focus on the overview area. The overview area is the top of your exploration where you're able to see information about the data below. And within the overview area, there's an icon that we're able to use to define our global settings. This icon is the gear icon, which you can see up at the top right corner. And within the gear icon, there are 4 different global settings that we can define. The first setting is the hierarchy name. And by turning that on, by enabling that setting, gives us the ability to see details about each dimension. And in situations when we're using hierarchies, you'll be able to determine which hierarchy are you using. So right now for my rows, I'm using the department dimension. And right now as a starting point, I'm using the standard dimension. But if I were to replace this by using one of the other hierarchies, click on the 3 dots, I choose hierarchy, I'm going to replace, and I'm going to replace it with a hierarchy called restructure. As soon as I were to choose the option to replace it, the definition of the hierarchy that's being used is going to change. And that's going to give me information about which dimension or which hierarchy within the dimension is being used. The second global setting that we can look at is what they call iconography. The iconography is going to give us details about each one of the dimensions, similar in nature to the legacy version of Subset Editor. It's going to tell us which of the dimensions are using a base level element by having an icon that looks like a round, like a white circle with a dark circle inside of it, or it's going to tell me whether it's a consolidation via the summation sign. The third global setting that we can use is context information. What the context information will do is it will give me details about the database. It's going to show us which database are we referencing, which cube are we referencing. If we started with a pre-existing view, which view did we start with? And the last option is about section headers. What section headers does is it tells us within the area what is our context, what we used to call titles or picks, what's set up in our rows, what's set up in our columns. By manipulating these global settings, makes it a better user experience for your end users to determine what am I looking at and what am I navigating through, as opposed to having to guess. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something today. Please visit our website at revelwood.com to learn more about how we can help you discover more about planning analytics.